Hey guys, it's Brian over here at Progressive Roofing. Just wanted to show you something here. When looking for a roofer, one of the first things you should do is always research the roofer's reviews. And I'm actually logged into Angie's List right now, and as you can see, we have over 558 reviews, 419 of which are A-rated. And to be transparent, you could see some of the the other ratings over here. And it's actually less than 5%, or about 5% that we're below A. But you can see the overwhelming majority were all A rated, and we were rated an A for price, A for quality, A for responsiveness, A for punctuality, and A for professionalism. So I'm just going to scroll through here just so you can kind of see some of the other reviews, what everyone had to say. As well as what some of the other prices were of some of the jobs, just to give you a better idea, to see the type of work and the quality of work that we do prepare. So when you are looking for a roofer, make sure you read those reviews, because sometimes there's a lot of roofers from out of state that may be trying to get your job, and when you try to go back to them for warranty work, they may not be around. So again, when you're looking for a roofer, make sure you choose one that's been around, that's Illinois licensed, and you also want to make sure that you check the Better Business Bureau for the roofer that you are working with. What you want to see is you want to look at their history. So the corporation here, when the corporation was started, how many years in business, check the rating here with the Better Business Bureau, and look for any complaints. And the last thing you want to do is, when looking for a roofer, is make sure you check the company on Google. Go ahead and read the reviews that they have, because these reviews here give you a lot of insight here. A lot of times you may have someone at your door and they're talking to you, they talk a good game, but if you go read their reviews online, sometimes you're sadly mistaken. So anyways, it's a good idea. It's always a great idea to look the company up online. So thanks for your time. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, or if you need an estimate, we're here to help.